Hello student, welcome to online session. Again, this is a chapter 1 motion part 5. In this chapter, we will learn about uniform circular motion and some in-text question. So, what is uniform circular motion? Anything which is moving in a circular path continuously changing its direction. For example, if you are sitting on a roller coaster, continuously that roller coaster is moving in a circular path, and at every second you are changing your direction. So that type of movement in which a particle moving in a circular path with the same speed, in this circular motion speed will not change but the direction continuously changing, so that speed is called velocity, because in this speed direction is included, so that become velocity. So we can say that the movement of a body following a circular path is called circular motion. Now the motion of a body moving with constant speed along a circular path is called uniform circular motion. Here the speed is constant but the velocity changes. Why the velocity changes? Because the direction is changes. So in case of velocity, there are two things. One is magnitude, matlab value of velocity. Second is direction. If in the speed, any one of them, if the direction is changing, that speed become velocity. So we can say in a uniform circular motion, the velocity is changing. So velocity is changing means there is an acceleration. So uniform circular motion is also called accelerating motion with uniform speed. So next is this acceleration, because we said the uniform circular motion, the velocity is changing. Why the velocity is changing? Because the direction is changing, and direction is changing, so the speed become velocity. So if velocity is changing, then there is a term called acceleration. So this acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. So if a particle is moving in a circle, it must have some acceleration acting towards the center, which is making it move around the center. Since the acceleration is perpendicular to the velocity of the particle at every instant, it is only changing the direction of velocity, not the magnitude, and that's why the motion is uniform circular motion. In this diagram, see clearly, velocity is in the leftmost direction and the force is perpendicular at the center everywhere. Velocity is in downward direction, force is perpendicular towards the center. Velocity is in the right direction, force is perpendicular towards the center. So if the force is perpendicular, acceleration भी कहाँ है इसमें? Perpendicular towards the center. तो ऐसा acceleration जो center की तरफ लगे, that acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. Uniform circular motions examples are motion of artificial satellite, that is around the earth, is an example of uniform circular motion. The gravitational force from the earth make the satellite stay in a circular orbit around the earth. The motion of electron around the nucleus, the motion of the blades of the windmills, the tip of the second hand of a watch with circular dial shows uniform circular motion. So anything which is moving in a circular path with uniform speed but continuously changing its direction, that motion is called uniform circular motion. Now the next is your in-text questions of page 100, that is NCERT book. If you don't have an NCERT book, these are the questions which are there. So here question and solution both are in this slide. First question is, an object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Yes, an object moved with the distance, it has a zero displacement. Because example, suppose a ball start from point A, एक point से ball start हुई and return to the same point, then the distance will be equal to 20 मीटर, A से start हुई and it goes somewhere 10 and again back to 10. Then it become 20. A से B 10 जाना, 10 वापस आना. That is called distance. But displacement क्या होता है? Displacement is the shortest distance. Initial जहाँ से start हुई और final जहाँ पर आई. That is the difference. तो A से ही start हुई थी and A पे ही वापस आ गई. So that displacement will be 0. Second question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. AB is 10 meter, BC is 10 meter, CD is 10 meter and AD is 10 meter. A2, AB, BC, CD, DA, a farmer cover in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from the initial position? A से start किया था, B तक गया, B से C तक गया, C से D, D to A. What is the magnitude of the displacement? Displacement होता है shortest distance. So the square field 10 meter, पैरामीटर हो गया पूरे स्क्वायर फील्ड का 10 into 4, 40 मीटर. फार्मर मूव अलोंग द बाउंड्री, मतलब ये 40 मीटर उसने कितने टाइम में कवर की? 40 सेकेंड में. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट आफ्टर 2 मीटर 20 सेकेंड इज 2 into 60 plus 20, that is 140 second. Since the 40 second farmer moves 40 meter, therefore in 1 second how much it will move? Therefore 140 second distance covered by the farmer is 140 meter. 1 second में उसने 140 meter cover किया. Now the number of rotation to cover 140 along the boundary. अब 140 meter का number of rotation कितना हो गया? उसने 3.5 round लिए. 1 round 40, second round again 40, third round again 40, that is 120. अब कितना बचा? 20 और बचा, half. तो ये हो गया 3.5 round. Now with 3.5 round, ये उसका हुआ total distance और displacement is calculated by AC, the shortest distance. So that is 2 minutes 20 seconds. The displacement of the farmer will be equal to 10 root 2 meter. That you need to calculate by yourself. That is done. Which of the following is true for the displacement? It cannot be 0. Its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object. That is none. Displacement 0 हो सकता है, magnitude भी ज़्यादा हो. Its magnitude is greater than the displacement. कभी नहीं. Distance हमेशा ज़्यादा होता है displacement से. Now 102 page. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Speed has only magnitude while velocity has both magnitude and direction. ये main difference है. Speed magnitude मतलब value, speed में सिर्फ value होती है, but velocity में value भी होती है और direction भी होता है. Under what conditions is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equals to average speed? So answer is the magnitude of average velocity of an object will be equal to average speed in the condition of uniform velocity. अगर कोई object एक uniform velocity से चल रहा है तो average velocity equals to the average speed. उसको average velocity और average speed same माना जाएगा. Odometer of the automobiles measure the distance. Path of an object look like when it's uniform motion? In case of uniform motion, the path of an object will look like a straight line. So in this whole chapter of motion, we only learn about the straight line motion. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in a 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? And the distance traveled by the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power meter per second. Meter per second again can be written as ms minus 1 or m upon s. Speed is given. Time को second में change करेंगे. सबसे पहले have to see the units. Meter per second तो second है तो time minute में था, इसको second में change किया. Distance का formula होता है speed into time. That is this. Then page number 103, when will you say a body is in uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration? A body is said to be in uniform acceleration when its motion is along a straight line and its velocity change by equal magnitude in equal interval of time. Uniform है. Acceleration means जब velocity change हो रही है time के according. A body is said to be non-uniform acceleration when its motion along a straight line and its velocity changes by unequal amount in equal interval of time. दोनों में time equal है, एक में distance change हो जाता है when its velocity change और एक में होता है when its velocity change by unequal amount. Again, second, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. पहले वो 80 चल रही थी, अब 60 हो गई. 80 हो गई जिससे स्टार्ट की थी, इसको कहते हैं इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, दैट इज u. पहुंच गई कहां तक, फाइनल उसकी क्या थी 60, दैट इज v. किलोमीटर पर आवर चेंज इनटू मीटर पर सेकंड, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 5/18, दैट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म. दोनों को चेंज किया, टाइम सेकंड में है, ओके, नो नीड टू चेंज द टाइम. Acceleration is v minus u by t, that is calculated. Meter per second square. A train is starting from a railway station and moving with a uniform acceleration attain a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. Train start from a railway station. Start means start, जहां पे भी start word आए, that is start from rest होता है. तो जैसे ही start आए u is equals to 0 हो जाता है. Attain जहां पे word आए, attain means maximum velocity. v हमारी हो गई 40 km per hour. Time है 10 minutes. टाइम इज गिवन, टाइम को सेकंड में चेंज करें. अब इसमें तीनों इक्वेशंस में कौन सी इक्वेशन लगेगी, दैट इज u, v और t. निकालना है a, तो यू हैव टू चूज बाय योरसेल्फ. v इज इक्वल्स टू u प्लस at, दैट इज द फॉर्म. वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑल, एक्सेलरेशन काउंट हो जाएगा. सो दीज आर योर 3 in-text question sheets, 10, 100, 102, 103 page. Now there is a worksheet. All the question which is listed here you can do by yourself. Try to get it in question number 6. See, Rahul pedal his cycle to attain a velocity. Attain means, again, attain a velocity means this is v. Starting means u0, v is given, time is given. Then apply a brake. अब उसने apply किया such that the velocity of the cycle come down to 4. इससे एक्सेलरेशन निकालेंगे. फिर उसने ब्रेक अप्लाई किए, मतलब उसकी साइकिल जो है वो रुकने लगी. such that the velocity of the cycle come down to this. अब उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या हो गई, u ले लेंगे 6, v हो गया 4. अगले 2 स्टेप हैं, पहले में u लिया 0, v लिया 6. नेक्स्ट केस में हमारा जहां पे था u हो गया 6, v हो गया 4, टाइम हो गया 5. 2 पार्ट होंगे. कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन इन बोथ केस. तो do this worksheet. All the question in separate copy. If you have a copy, register, make. All these questions you have to do. All the questions are given in the PPT. You have to do page number wise. Then in the next session, we will do further in-text question. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.